What's crack-a-lackin', my little bro fishies? Welcome back to another episode of Bro Fishing. Today we're going out in the bay and we're gonna go for some snapper. Haven't made a snapper video in a while, so this is pretty exciting. Mother KK's oiling us up with some sunscreen, getting protecting us from the harmful rays of the great big ball of hot gases, right?
Yes.
Sure.
The UV ray index is like a 9.
Yeah, which is pretty harsh.
Bye-bye skin
KK's
cancer.
glasses are looking pretty nice.
They're fire.
And yeah, we're all excited today to go out and go for some snappers. A little windy, but it's okay. We're gonna hit this slack tide here. I think it's at like 3 o'clock.
Oh yeah, anytime.
But it should be a good episode.
No skin cancer.
And yeah, let's go kick it. We're gonna go catch some bait real quick.
I want to kick it.
Holy guacamole, fellas, we are on the bait right now. We are absolutely on it.
How do you know what the bait looks like?
Cause see how, what the heck is that? Oh, it's a sea turtle.
Freaking turtle.
KK, look, a sea turtle over there. There's a little baby guy. It's just a baby. It's just a baby. Oh, we're gonna get him here. I hope that sea turtle gets closer.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hopefully get him in the net.
We'll chum him up. But we're pulled up out here in the grass flats and there is bait absolutely everywhere. You can see them popping. There's a sea turtle. That's also good luck. And also KK is gonna throw the net for us today because KK is just a G like that. Dude, they're...
This doesn't go in the YouTube video.
See the turtle?
Pancake.
Oh. See him? Oh look, he just popped up. Oh, he's like, oh Jesus. Alright, KK. Give her a tossing. Yeah, you gotta throw it all the way over there. No.
Oh, no.
No, they're in our chum right here.
You really think so?
Right there?
Yeah, just throw it like right there in that area.
What if I mess up?
You won't mess up.
I think I'm gonna mess
You're
up.
a pro.
I don't think I'm holding it right.
Yeah, you got it.
What?
There it is.
Perfect.
Did you get him?
Alright.
Did I cast a net or did I dominate?
Is KK castaneting the net or is she dominating the bait?
Casting the net.
Casting the net. Oh wait!
I think I see some pinning.
I think I see a few. Oh wait! You might have to help me out.
Alright. Look at that. KK's got a good amount of bait. First toss. Look at all this bait KK just got. So many. Holy cow. You see all them flashings in there?
Yeah, I see them.
That's all bait. Loads. Minis. Hundreds. Bunches.
Bunches.
Good stuff. Those.
Let him go.
Alright. We're good on live bait.
Thanks
we got
to
a bunch
the
of we got a bunch of dead bait in there for chumming. KK's a slayer at the catching baits. And look at all these greenbacks we left for tomorrow and the next day and the next day.
And the next day.
And
look
the
at them all.
Next day.
You guys see them all? So many of them. Big needlefish. All right, y'all. Let's go catch some snappers. Yeah, it's cruising. I could tell the troll motor's hustling. Alrighty, y'all. We're here at the first spot. Yeah, we're gonna see what we can do here. Question every day. KK's on. Oh, what the heck do you got? What did I tell you?
You were right under me. I didn't want to eat you.
Ow!
What were you using?
Greenback.
Aw, man.
Oh, he broke you off.
I was trying. What did you want me to do?
Yeah, you tried.
See, that thing was...
And I failed.
That boy was on a mission. Mark's on. I just got hit. Little gagski. Nice. Oh. Alright, we're getting bits here. Move to a little bit shallower spot since the tide's still ripping.
Is it snapper? Snapper?
As soon as it hit bottom. Not bad.
That's a good one.
Yeah. Woo!
Wow.
Ah!
That was just goodness.
Now what are you hitting this, bro? Ow. All right, cool. First snapper today. He is a 13 incher, not bad.
Yeah, I'll tell Jake might not be it. There it is.
Did they take my bait?
Nice one.
Good one.
They probably did, KK.
They took my bait, bro.
Look at that, another good snapper.
Save some for the rest of the
Back to back to back to back. 13 and a half incher, pretty consistent. Oh, sneaky little guys. Boy golly, you had one there, mate. Come on. Did you take it that quickly? No. Yours is probably gone, KK. No, it's not. There she is. Oh! Dang!
Okay.
Dude, this guy hit it before it hit bottom. Oh, that's why. There we go. Nice mackerel. Oh, Jesus. Nice mackerel. Good one.
Finally.
Good or
Finally.
good snapper.
Mackerel.
So let's show them to the cam, KK.
Hey MTV, this is my snapper.
Good job, KK.
This is my snapper. Oh, 13.
A little over 13. Nice.
13.14.
0.14.
14, sorry.
Excellent. All right, KK POV rolling.
Oh, I'm so excited. I hope I catch a fish.
I hope so too.
Bait my hook, slave. Thank you. Drop her in. Oh my gosh, I'm doing a POV. Oh. Is that a hit? Did they just take my bait? That's not going in the POV. What? What? Oh, you scared me. Nice.
That's a good one.
Slay.
Yeah.
Slay.
Good snapper.
That's a good one.
Shoot it, Ali. Shoot it.
Oh, a turtle popped up over there.
Go bottom. Need a bait?
Yeah. Thanks, bestie.
There he is.
Is my camera on?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Oh, he's a little tiny.
It's alright. We'll keep him.
He's kind of small, but I'd say he's about average, you know.
He's good for a trade.
Thur.
Look how fat that boy is.
Oh my gosh. He's not. He got a new piercing in his nose, that's for sure.
Nice.
For the cam, he's, oh,
11?
11. Don't forget, everyone, mangrove snappers are 10 inches legal.
There you go. There you
Oh.
go, KK. Good one. Good one.
Good one.
No!
Finally, my first snapper.
Mark on the snapper.
Is he going in the live well?
Yeah.
Up.
Good boy, hit it. Good snapper.
Yahoo! Nice, nice.
No snapper.
Another snap. I just got blood all over my glasses. 3.
Maybe munching.
Oh!
Pull. Oh.
Oh my gosh, brah.
Yeah, you almost lost my GoPro.
I know how to.
Alright, y'all, so this is what's going on. There's been a lot of thunder and lightning over there. And we're heading in because we can hear our rods going zzz right now. So that's not a good sign. So we are going to head in for a little bit, hopefully get back out here. See.
Nice.
Gagski. We're in the shipping channel. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, what's wrong?
We'll just go with the bigger rod.
Okay.
That's a good
Am I recording? Yes, I am. Okay. That caught me off guard.
Gag.
What? Why'd he stop?
Because it's a grouper.
He gave up. He's literally...
Is he widowy?
Why is he frozen?
Oh,
Is that normal?
big mackerel.
He's literally just like
Hey, that's fun, eh?
paralyzed. Alright guys, got a little guy. Little guy. Ah! Ah! He's my friend. All fish are friends. No matter how big and small, they're always a friend. If he doesn't want to go of the jig head. Sure. 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 Sir? Oh, stuck in his lip. Let's see if we can get this out without. See, Drew's the pro at this. There we go. Is the camera? This is my grouper. Hope I'm getting him on camera. Whee!
Good job, KK.
I feel like it took the bait as it was going down. Damn! What the hell? That dang Scott. Whee! And he spit it out. Look at that. What a guy. Look at this ugly freaking wiener. Okay, guys, bear with me. I'm not like Drew. I don't know how to freaking get the good. Guys, drop a like and comment below if you want more KK cam footage. It looks so cool. Okay, Mark. Oh.
Go. That's a grouper.
Hope I'm getting you on camera.
What a little, ow, spiky gag.
That pinfish came off.
A lot of little gag grouper out here.
There he goes.
Live
Yeah. Nice.
well, they're smacking the free line. What is that?
Oh, a cobia.
Oh!
A cobia.
Oh!
Oh my gosh. Oh, I just got hit too.
Dude, that's cool.
Hey! Woo!
That's cool.
I was wondering why he was running up so much. I was like, listen.
Just got this nice cobia on a jig head.
Oh! Ow!
Alright, here's the release on this nice little cobia. Dude, that guy was spunky.
Oh! Sheesh. Oh, sheesh. Yeah, wow. Damn.
That's the ones we're looking for there.
Dude, they're smoking the free line.
Yeah, get into it.
So slay, girl.
Dude, we're marking a lot now. Mark's on.
Okay.
That big snapper.
Big flounder.
Oh, you got a flounder?
Yeah.
Well, that's cool.
Look at that. Big flounder. Thanks. Just got this really nice flounder. I'm gonna let him go. Don't see a whole lot of flounder out here. Cool. Alrighty, y'all. Those are some snappers, and then got a bunch in there. 15 is what we got with me, Mark, and KK, and 2 mackerel. And yeah, already started filleting here. Look at that beautiful, beautiful meat right there. Cut that out. That's the rib cage. Yeah, gonna be a good fish fry. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this episode. I hope you all enjoyed it, and yeah, stay tuned for more. See you in the next one.